You'll need to have on hand the following: a level, pencil, 6 fasteners, 6 washers, 6 anchors, and a drill. First, determine the position of the unit on the wall. Be sure to follow the ADA guidelines. Use a level to ensure that it's installed correctly, which will help ensure proper dispensing. The back of the dispenser has 9 available hole options. If there's a pre-existing mounting pattern, choose the holes that work the best. Use your pencil to mark the 6 spots where you'll be drilling. Drill the holes and insert the anchors. The installation should be done with the flat washer positioned between the head of the fastener and the inside back of the dispenser. Attach the dispenser using the mounting hardware and complete the installation. To fill the dispenser after installing, insert the key and push down to open the cover. Insert your Tork 9-inch jumbo bath tissue roll on the roll supports and close the cover. When the roll on the left side of the dispenser is completely used, push the access door all the way to the left until it locks into place. The roll on the right-hand side of the dispenser will now be accessible. To replace the rolls, open the cover. If there's still paper on the right-hand side roll, move that roll to the left roll support and place a new roll on the right roll support. This will ensure all paper is utilized. Close the cover and the dispenser is ready for use.